Russian police and firefighters patrol the streets with instructions. Observe the quarantine, take care of yourself and stay home. As countries around the world start to open up, much of Russia is closing down. Case numbers have escalated to put it in the top 5 of the world, with more than 177,000 cases. But Moscow's mayor fears it may be even worse.
According to screening studies, the entire number of infections in Moscow ranges from 250 to 300,000.
That's 3 times the official figure.
We have to toughen the requirements for travelling through the city and for the sanitary protection of people. Starting May 12th, there will be strict measures for using public transport, and masks and gloves will be compulsory in public places.
Moscow's 11 million residents will be allowed to leave home for essential services only, with restrictions extended until the end of May. The only exceptions are factories and construction sites, of which many will become medical facilities. Prefabricated clinics are being built next to 13 Moscow hospitals, while others are getting urgent extensions. Moscow's all-Russian exhibition centre is also being transformed into a field hospital.
Here we will have patients of moderate severity. We will not host seriously ill patients. They will go to actual hospitals with more sophisticated intensive care equipment.
Russia had avoided the exponential growth seen in other countries. In the last week of March, it had 1,000 total cases, as Italy and the US surpassed 100,000. President Putin sent troops to help in Italy. Now they're needed at home.
I think Russia should be proud because when Europe and the whole world was struck by the COVID-19 pandemic, you came to lend us a helping hand. And not surprisingly, Russia has had similar problems, and this is admirable.
It's all hands to the front line as Russia's battle against coronavirus has well and truly arrived. Charlotte Bellis, Al Jazeera.